Alright, welcome to Physics Teacher. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to go over a grade 11 physics lab on analyzing uniform and non-uniform motion. And the actual lab handout will be in the description along with all the data that I get here for you to analyze. So let's start by going over the equipment. We have here just a car that when turned on it moves at a constant velocity. Here we have two ticker tape timers, and the ticker tape timers have a frequency of 60 hertz. That means this nail punches down 60 times every second, and it punches down on one of these carbon papers, which then leaves a mark on the ticker tape. And we have two setups. We have this one, which is uniform motion. Then we have this one, which is a very low friction cart on an incline, which is going to accelerate down the incline, so it has non-uniform motion. I'm going to run the experiment, and then I'll put the exact ticker tapes I get from this lab in the descriptions for you to analyze. All right, so let's start with uniform motion. 2, 1. Alright, so you can see the tape there with all the little marks, which are fairly equally spaced apart, demonstrating uniform motion. That'll be in the description for you to analyze. Alright, moving on to do non-uniform motion. Let's just stick the ticker tape to the cart. A little bit of tape. And we're ready to go in 3, 2, 1, 2. Right, and there you can see our ticker tape with the dots getting more and more spread out as the velocity increased. Right, so the ticker tapes will be there for you to analyze in the description. If you don't know how to analyze a ticker tape, I put a card here to a link to a video I made on how to analyze ticker tapes. And you can also analyze them in Excel or Google Sheets to make it go faster for you. And there's a link here where I teach you science skills in Excel if you need to know how to do that. Right, if you enjoyed the lab, please subscribe.